In this tutorial, we're going to create that wire for our lamp. As you can see, I've got a shape that was generated by a path, see the curved path, and down at the end is a NURB circle. And you'll see that they are perpendicular to each other. So let's get started and create this. I'm going to start in the top view. And in my top view, I will go to Create, CV Curve tool, and I'm going to make sure it's set for 2. Yes, it is. Close it out. And I'm just going to draw a meandering sort of a path here, the way a wire might snake along the floor. Once I have what I want, I'll hit return to make it into its object mode. And the next thing I want to do is I want to put a NURB circle at either end of this path. So I'm going to go here, the very top, like so. I'll go to Create, NURBS Primitives, Circle, and now I'll draw a little circle in that general vicinity. I'm going to hit F on the keyboard to get closer to this. Now our objective is to have the circle perpendicular to the direction of that path. So I'll hit E on the keyboard to get my rotation tool. Now at this point I can do this manually, or I can do it very precisely over here in my channels window. And then I'm going to tip it so it's as close to perpendicular as possible. Now if we were to go to our perspective view and zoom in on that, we can compare, or we can take a look at how these two things are lined up with one another. So you could imagine this path could be moved right through that circle. You can see how if we're in our top view, they really are a 90-degree angle from each other. I'll select the circle first, shift select my path, go to Surfaces. I'm going to the Extrude menu, Edit Reset Settings, select Path and At Path, and hit Apply.